What is good, you guys? I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I was not well, so I just took a break, like a week, and I'm back now. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, today I'm gonna make a boom-bap beat from scratch, right? So if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash that like button, and share this video to all your friends and families. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I've already loaded up my drums sound in Groove Agent. So these are my sound. Okay, so I'm gonna start this beat with the drum sounds, and the tempo is currently set to 81. So let's come up with some kind of rhythm. So I'm gonna loop this for 2 bars first. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that sounds good. Let me quantize a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna add a lot of swings. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna duplicate this over and let's loop that as well. But the end here, I'm gonna change a little bit. Maybe change the kick pattern. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna layer that with another, like a tambourine sound, but let me reduce the volume. Yeah, that's better. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna need another lane here. I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna duplicate. Now let's hear it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and create a samples. So I'm gonna start with the Rode electric piano. One more time. Track version. Let's do one more time. Okay guys, so this second chord I played a wrong note. So this A should be G. Okay. I'm gonna lengthen these notes. Okay, I want it to overlap the other notes, but not too much. Okay, that sounds dope. Okay, I'm gonna add some kind of saxophone now. Okay, I'm gonna add some reverb. that note is too loud. Let's reduce the velocity. Yeah, I like that. So now let's add a few more instruments on top. Just let it be, I don't want to quantize it. I'm gonna render all of this track to the same audio file so that I can chop it later. I'm gonna go shift right click, go to render settings, make sure to click mix down to one audio file, change this to samples, and hit render. Okay, now I've got this in one file, so let's hear it. Okay, now I'm going to chop. I'm going to move it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to record the bass. Okay, I'm going to quantize this guy here. Perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beat. I hope you guys loved this video. If you guys did, please smash that like button, turn on notification, and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.